Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English Word. Today, I am with you with a beautiful narration about Raksha Bandhan, a festival of love and protection. Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi Purnima is a special festival for Indians. It's a reflection of the richness of Indian culture, symbolizing the strength of the family system and the deep bond between siblings. On the full moon day of the month of Shravana, girls and women tie Rakhi, a sacred thread, on the wrist of their brothers or those they regard as brothers. As they do so, they pray for their brothers' happiness, prosperity, and well being, and in return, they seek blessings for their own long life, good fortune, and wealth. After offering their blessings, brothers present gifts to their sisters. This act of tying the Rakhi is more than a ritual, it's a pledge. It reminds us that in times of trouble, we must stand as protectors for each other. The thread symbolizes the protection of their richness, the soul, and society itself. Raksha Bandhan is a sacred act, a sign of commitment and devotion, performed on the day of the full moon, hence the name Rakhi Purnima. The festival is celebration of the love and affection shared between brothers and sisters. The sister ties a Rakhi as a token of her love, and the brother accepts it as a promise to protect her throughout life. In earlier times, in joint families, Raksha Bandhan held great significance, but today it was spread to even the smallest of families and is celebrated with equal enthusiasm. History tells us that Rakhi's sent with brotherly affections have stopped wars, prevented bloodshed, saved kingdoms from ruin, and forged new bonds of friendship. There is also a belief that this festival has been celebrated in North India for centuries as a living expression of Indian traditions. Sisters and brothers eagerly await this day each year. The delicate thread carries a powerful message when viewed from a human perspective. It reveals the warmth of affection and the depth of emotional bonds. This is the true value of Rakhi. For sisters, it is not merely a thread but a yearly reminder to their brothers of the sacred duty to protect their honor and life itself. Our Bharat is a mirror to the noblest human values and the highest culture heritage. Let us too honor our traditions and celebrate Raksha Bandhan with joy, love, and respect. With loving Raksha Bandhan wishes to all my sisters. We will be meet with an interesting video. Until then, take care. Once again, wishing you a very, very happy Raksha Bandhan. Yours, Roshan.